Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-00997 error in Oracle database 12c. So now I am logging as a user called C#Scott, which is a common user I already created. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. Okay, so now I am creating one cluster. Create cluster empno underscore cluster. So employee number, so it will be long data type. See here, ORA-00997 illegal use of long data type error is getting thrown, which means that you cannot use long data type for creating the cluster column. So provide the valid and supported data type to create the cluster column. So that is the fix for this ORA-00997 illegal use of long data type issue. So now you can see that cluster column is got created successfully.